Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by verifying 3 essentials: Windows admin rights, a working Roblox account, and a VPN subscription. Install the VPN client you picked and sign in. This is the first actionable step. Make sure the kill switch is enabled so Roblox won't leak your real IP if the VPN drops. Once installed, select a nearby gaming-optimized server to minimize ping. You do not need to change Roblox settings yet. Focus on a stable encrypted tunnel before launching the game. You now connect and configure for performance. Choose a nearby server or a region Roblox accepts. Closer servers cut latency. Switch the VPN protocol to UDP or a stealth mode for better speed and fewer blocks. If your VPN offers split tunneling, add Roblox to the tunnel to force game traffic through the VPN only. Test with a quick ping and open Roblox in a cleared browser cache or the native client to ensure the connection routes through the VPN and gameplay field. Finish by confirming stable play. Flush your DNS using ipconfig/flushtons, restart the VPN client, and then launch Roblox. Make sure the VPN shows the IP and region you selected. If you get blocked or face high ping, switch servers or change protocols. Obfuscation often bypasses ISP or game blocks. One key troubleshooting tip: if Roblox won't connect, disable browser extensions and rerun the DNS flush, then reconnect the VPN. This resolves most routing or leak issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.